In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can play R.E.P.O on your Mac. The first thing we need to do is to download an application called Crossover. Crossover is responsible for translating Windows commands into Mac commands. So to do this, we first want to open our web browser, and you want to go to codeweavers.com, and I'll leave this linked in the description below. From here, you want to select Crossover from the top navigation bar, and then you want to scroll down and you want to select Free Trial. Now you want to scroll down again, and then you want to make sure you're on Mac OS, and then you want to enter in your name and email address and select Download Trial Now to download the application to your Mac. Before we continue, I do want to look at how the pricing works. So to view the pricing, you want to go back to the Crossover page, and then you want to scroll down and you want to select Buy Now. On the purchase page, we can scroll down and we can see three versions of Crossover. The first version is Crossover Free, which is a 14-day trial that we just downloaded. The second version is Crossover Plus, which is the full version of Crossover. However, it's important to note that this is a one-off payment and not a subscription. So when you purchase Crossover Plus, you will get 12 months of developer support, and once that support is finished, you'll still be able to play Crossover, but you will no longer receive new updates. So if you want to continue receiving updates, you need to purchase another 12 months of support. So now we've downloaded Crossover, we just need to install it, and that's very simple. All we need to do is to drag and drop it into our applications folder. And after a few seconds, once it has moved, we can go ahead and open it up. Because it's our first time, you will see this pop up, so you want to select Open. When you open it for the first time, you will see your trial information, and this will be 14 days. So you want to select Try Now. However, if you've already purchased a license, you want to select Unlock with Purchase Info, and then you want to enter in your CodeWeavers account details here, and select Unlock. And then once Crossover opens, it will look like this. To play R.E.P.O on our Mac, we first need to download the platform that we already own a copy of R.E.P.O on. So for the example of this video, it's going to be Steam, so I'm going to select it. And here it's going to give you some install information. When we select the install button, it's going to download Steam into its own bottle. And a bottle is an isolated container that separates all of the installation files from the rest of your Mac. So once we're ready, we're going to select Install, and then you want to go ahead and wait for this to complete. During the installation process, you'll get a few pop-ups like this, and these are the dependencies, so you just want to go ahead and install them. After some time, the Steam installer will appear, so you just want to go ahead and install it, just like you would on a Windows PC. After some updates, the Steam login page will open, so you just want to go ahead and log into your Steam account now. Eventually, the Windows version of Steam will open up, and it will look like this. So now Steam has been installed, we just need to go ahead and install R.E.P.O. So to do this, we're just going to head over to our library and install R.E.P.O just like you normally would on a Windows PC. Once R.E.P.O has been installed, we just need to go ahead and click play. And as you can see, R.E.P.O has booted up with no problems, so we just want to go ahead and start playing it just as we normally would. Okay, so we are now playing R.E.P.O, and here is some quick gameplay, and there are no issues at all, and again we can just start playing it just as we normally would. And that's it. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.